Gravity. It's the invisible force that orchestrates the universe. It holds you in your chair, holds our planet in orbit, and holds galaxies together. We take it for granted. But what if it just switched off? For just 5 seconds. Let's start the clock. 5. The thread holding you to the Earth is cut. But you don't just float up. The planet is spinning beneath you at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. So you, your house, and everything not bolted to the planet's core are launched sideways into the sky. 4. The atmosphere, held only by gravity, instantly expands into the vacuum of space. The oceans, no longer held down, begin to boil and break apart into giant floating blobs. 3. The Earth is no longer a planet. It's now a giant rock flying in a straight line away from the sun. The moon, also untethered, is flung off on its own journey into the void. 2. The immense pressure at the Earth's core is now uncontained. The planet begins to expand like a balloon, cracking its surface and triggering planetary-scale volcanic eruptions. 1. And click. Gravity is back. And this is where the real nightmare begins. Everything that was launched into space now falls back, not down, but sideways, striking the surface at supersonic speeds. The atmosphere rushes back, creating a shockwave of thunderous force, and the oceans come crashing down as a global tsunami hundreds of kilometers high. 0. The Earth is no longer home. It's a scarred rock knocked from its orbit, now tumbling into the cold dark. In just 5 seconds, the universe's weakest force proved it was the architect of our reality. So the next time you drop your pen, just be glad that it falls.